risk management is one big area for every organization, and privacy is one of the risks. Anybody that has interacted with Nacro who have given personal information, my role is managing that to make sure that that information is what it is supposed to be, has integrity, is confidential. My first week, I had a challenging data subject access request. The way the CEO jumped in to support me, that really helped settle me in. Having the CEO say to me, we trust you and be confident in making your decision. It feels like this is where Nacro is. Yeah. One thing that makes me proud to be part of Nacro is Nacro's work of helping people become the best they can be, regardless of the barriers that they have to face. I think that in the next 60 years, Nacro would take advantage of AI as a tool to enhance the services that they provide, especially in the education sector.
Describe Nacro in one word.
Nacro sees the future in everyone and prepares for it from today. So I think I can describe Nacro as future. Yeah.